Hi guys, today we voice chat on ChatGPT. It's actually a really simple feature and honestly, once you try it, talking to ChatGPT feels much faster than typing. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Once the app loads, look at the middle right side of the screen, where you'll notice a small voice bar or microphone icon. This is the button that lets you start speaking to ChatGPT instead of typing. So simply tap on that icon to activate voice chat. After tapping the voice icon, the voice chat interface will appear in the center of the screen. Now you can start speaking directly to ChatGPT, just like having a conversation. Honestly, this part feels very natural because you can ask questions normally instead of typing them. So go ahead and speak clearly into your phone. While you're speaking, you might want to stop the recording. To do that, look at the middle left area of the screen, where you'll see a square-shaped stop button. Simply tap this button whenever you want to stop your voice message. This immediately ends the recording so ChatGPT can process what you said. Now, if you want to continue the conversation, don't worry, it's super easy. Just tap the voice icon again on the right side of the screen, and you can start speaking once more. This lets you continue asking questions or explaining things without typing anything at all. It basically works like a smooth voice conversation. Finally, if you're done speaking and want ChatGPT to respond, simply tap the arrow or send button at the bottom right side of the screen. This sends your voice message so ChatGPT can understand your question and generate a response. And just like that, your voice chat interaction is complete. And that's how you can easily voice chat on ChatGPT instead of typing your questions. It's quick, convenient, and honestly makes conversations feel much more natural. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this. And also, drop a comment below if there's another app feature you'd like to learn about next.